Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Chime debit card through app, easy method step by step clearly. Open the Chime app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your email and password. If you haven't created an account yet, follow the prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the cards section on the homepage. Look for the option that says Activate Card. Tap on it to proceed with the act. You will be prompted to enter the last 4 digits of your debit card number. Input the digits carefully, ensuring there are no mistakes. After entering the digits, tap Next to continue. Follow any additional prompts that may appear on the screen. You may need to verify your identity through a code sent via email or SMS. Check your email or text messages for the code, and enter it when prompted. Once verified, your card will be activated. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your card is ready to use. You can now start using your Chime debit card for purchases. If you encounter any issues, revisit the app's help section for assistance. That's it. Enjoy your newly activated Chime debit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.